فعاش القلب إخلاصا وصرت تحوم كالطير تحلق في الثقافات.
But if we were to hold back on the charities or the zakah, knowing that it is ready, we have it to be given, and we don't want to give it waiting for the month of Ramadan while people are in desperate need of charity, be it food or medicine or whatever else it may be, we would actually be wrong. Assalamu alaikum. My brothers and sisters, every year many of us give our zakah and our charities during the month of Ramadan. The idea is to multiply the rewards because, as we know, when you do a good deed in the month of Ramadan, the reward is greater. However, I want to draw your attention to something more important, and that is, when there is a desperate need for the charities, do not delay that charity to the month of Ramadan, especially when the month of Ramadan is a month away or a few weeks away and the desperation is current. Allah will reward you for having given that charity as though it was given in the month of Ramadan, because He knows that was your underlying intention, or that is what you do all the time. But if we were to hold back on the charities or the zakah, knowing that it is ready, we have it to be given, and we don't want to give it waiting for the month of Ramadan while people are in desperate need of charity, be it food or medicine or whatever else it may be, we would actually be wrong. So let us not wait for the month of Ramadan. This time, let us start giving our charities from now. One of the ways of earning the pleasure of the Almighty is to become very charitable, to give. أنفق يا ابن آدم ينفق عليك. O son of Adam, O human being, spend and it shall be spent on you. Help others and you will be helped. Be merciful upon others and the Lord will be merciful on you, and so on. So these are the beautiful teachings of Islam. Where there is a need, that necessity comes before the virtue of giving it in the month of Ramadan. This was a very interesting reminder. Increase your rewards by starting to give the charity now. Don't wait for the month of Ramadan. This time, as you know, the globe is going through some unprecedented times we'd never imagined would have come in our lives. In fact, just a few months back, no one would have dreamt that we were going to go through a phase as difficult as this. People have lost jobs, people don't know where they're going to get the next meal from, and it's not fair for us to be having some money and we're not sharing it with others because we're saying, I'm waiting for the month of Ramadan. My brother, my sister, Allah will reward you tenfold, 700-fold and way beyond if you were to help another person in their time of desperation. When you help someone in desperation, the Almighty will help you in this world and in the hereafter in your own desperation. May Allah bless all of us. I hope this is an encouragement for myself and for yourselves to be charitable starting now. JazakAllahu Khairan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.